Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Listen, if you've been staring at the digital landscape lately, just kind of wondering how people are actually generating income right now, you are in the exact right place. We're looking squarely at 2026, a year where the old rules, needing huge capital, a fancy physical office, or a massive team, have completely vanished. So today, we're cutting right through the noise. We're going to examine the real, proven source material on how absolute beginners are stepping into this world and building actual wealth. I absolutely love breaking these topics down because it's just so empowering once you see how simple the mechanics really are when you strip away all the internet hype.
Now, do you want to make money online in 2026, but you feel completely paralyzed by where to even start? Honestly, it is completely normal to feel overwhelmed right now. There is just so much information out there, and frankly, it can feel like everyone else on the internet has some hidden cheat code that you don't. You might even think, well, I've already missed the boat. But I'm here to tell you that the path is actually much clearer and way more accessible than it seems from the outside looking in.
I want you to take a deep breath. Let this be a massive relief valve for you right now. You need no experience, no degree, and zero upfront capital to get off the ground. Those mental hurdles that stop like 99% of people, we're just tossing them out right now. In fact, some of the most successful independent creators and digital entrepreneurs today started with absolutely nothing but a free library internet connection and a beaten-up hand-me-down laptop. The source material shows us that the traditional barriers to entry have truly, finally disappeared.
So, here is our roadmap for today. We've got 1. Starting from zero. 2. Freelancing simple skills. 3. Content and commissions. 4. Selling scalable assets. 5. The AI advantage. And 6. The ultimate success secret. Okay, let's dive right into this.
Section 1. Starting from zero. Number 2. Freelancing simple skills.
Look, I know what you might be thinking. You think you need to be some Hollywood-level director to offer video editing, or a famous, published author to be a paid writer. But the demand right now, it's actually for simple, foundational work. Small business owners literally just need someone to trim the awkward, silent pauses out of their podcast clips, or design a simple promotional graphic in Canva, or maybe just clean up the grammar on their blog posts. Absolute beginners are getting paid daily for these incredibly straightforward tasks, just because they're saving business owners precious time.
And the best part is you don't have to cold call businesses or knock on doors to find this work. Established platforms like Fiverr and Upwork basically act as your digital storefront. You simply set up a profile offering to, say, edit short-form videos or format weekly newsletters, and the platforms connect you directly with clients all over the world who are actively searching for that exact help. It essentially takes the absolute hardest part of business, finding the customer, and automates it for you.
All right, moving to number 3. Content and commissions.
Now, what's really interesting about this source material is the fascinating contrast between traditional YouTube and modern YouTube Shorts. Traditionally, you needed a beautifully lit studio, a super fancy camera, and a massive extroverted on-screen personality. But with Shorts, you can create entirely faceless content. Think about those highly addictive channels that post daily financial tips, incredible Reddit stories, or daily motivational quotes. It completely removes the pressure of being on camera, which means literally anyone can become a creator regardless of their setup. And as you consistently post these short, punchy videos, the algorithm actually starts working for you and your audience grows organically. Once you hit certain viewership milestones, that long-term payoff kicks in. You start earning a direct cut of the revenue from the ads running between your videos. And eventually, as your influence expands, brands will actually pay you directly just for a quick 10-second shout-out to your audience.
Which leads us directly into affiliate marketing. This beautifully demystifies how money actually flows online. It's basically a simple 3-step engine. Step 1, you share a unique link to a product you genuinely like. Step 2, a viewer clicks that link and makes a purchase. Step 3, the company pays you a percentage as a commission. You're just acting as the digital bridge between a customer and a product they already want, getting paid simply for making the introduction. It's a real win-win.
And get this, you can run this entire engine on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube without ever creating a personal product of your own. That is the true beauty of affiliate marketing. You're leveraging massive, already existing social platforms and earning a healthy profit without the headache, the cost, or the time of developing something from scratch, dealing with customer service, or managing a bunch of inventory.
Section 4. Selling scalable assets.
So we're moving further up the ladder of digital leverage now with scalable assets. We're talking things like ebooks, Notion templates, study guides, or photo presets. The absolute magic word here is scalable.
You put in the hard work one single time to design that perfect weekly meal prep template or that comprehensive budgeting spreadsheet, and then you can sell that exact same digital file 1,000 times over to different people without ever doing the creation work twice.
No shipping, no inventory. Let that sink in for a second. If you've ever worked in traditional physical retail, you know the absolute nightmare of tracking boxes, dealing with broken items, and paying for really expensive warehouse space. Digital assets offer total freedom from that trap. A customer buys your guide at 2 a.m. while you're fast asleep, they get an automatic download link instantly, and you wake up the next morning to a notification that you got paid. It is pure, automated efficiency.
Number 5. The AI advantage.
Artificial intelligence has completely rewritten the rulebook for 2026. We are now at a point where you can use tools like Midjourney to instantly generate high-quality professional graphics, or use ChatGPT to write highly engaging video scripts in a matter of seconds. AI basically empowers a single person sitting at their laptop in a local coffee shop to output the volume and quality of an entire dedicated creative agency. It's a total game changer.
So what do you actually do with this superpower? Well, you sell it. You offer these AI-accelerated services to businesses and other creators who, frankly, just don't have the time to figure the tech out themselves. You are essentially performing AI arbitrage. You're providing lightning-fast, incredibly high-quality results to your clients, while the artificial intelligence is doing all the heavy lifting for you behind the scenes. It's just the ultimate way to scale your income right now.
And finally, Section 6, the ultimate success secret.
Okay, so we've covered a massive menu of opportunities today, but here is the crucial point. You have to pick just one single method. Do not try to be a freelancer and a faceless YouTuber and a template creator and an AI consultant all at the exact same time. If you try to catch 5 rabbits at once, you're going to catch absolutely 0. You'll spread yourself way too thin and ultimately fail to gain real traction in any of them.
Once you pick that single path, our source material gives us a final, undeniable mandate. Stay consistent and do not quit too early. Juggling multiple side hustles is just a guaranteed recipe for burnout. Digging one deep well rather than frantically digging 5 shallow holes is the true secret to finally breaking through and earning a sustainable income online. For sure, focus is your greatest asset.
So, I'm leaving you with this final question today. Which of the 5 paths are you going to choose? Freelancing, content and commissions, affiliate marketing, digital products, or AI services? The barrier to entry is completely gone and the opportunity is sitting right there just waiting for you to take that single focused step. So pick your path, stay the course, and let's see what you can build. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll see you all next time.